Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw anemone flowers. Let's start with the front view of the flower. First, we'll draw the basic structure using pencil and then we'll go over it using a marker pen. Okay, the first step is to draw a circle of the same size that you wish your flower to be. Then draw a smaller concentric circle inside of our bigger circle. And then draw one more circle inside our smaller circle. We'll have to use our pencils very lightly because we'll have to erase it later. Now we'll fill our innermost circle with some tiny circles. Okay, now we'll draw some ovals around our middle circle. They have to be a little bigger than the tiny circles that we have drawn in our innermost circle. You don't have to be very careful, they can overlap, they can touch each other. Now we have to connect these ovals to our center using fine, slightly curvy lines. Now we are going to draw our petals using slightly wavy lines, and they have to be almost inside our outermost circle. I drew some lines over the flower petals to represent the folds so that the flower looks a little bit three-dimensional. At the end, I drew some curvy lines inside the petals and our front view is done. Now let's try to learn a slightly sideways view. For this view, we have to begin with an oval shape instead of the circular shape that we draw for the front view. Now we have to follow the same steps. First, we are going to draw teeny tiny circles inside our innermost oval. Then we have to draw some oval shapes around our middle oval. Here you need to notice one thing. Our tiny oval shapes are slightly coinciding with our teeny tiny circles from one side. Then again we have to draw thin curvy lines from our oval shapes to the center. Since some of our ovals are already coinciding with the center portion, you don't need to connect them. I mean, they are connected with the flower, but you won't be able to see it from the angle that you are drawing it in. Now again, like we did with our first view, we are going to draw some wavy petals within our outermost circle. Let's draw this side view again. This time I have drawn my oval even thinner. So it looks like almost the same flower but in a slightly different view. Now let's draw the leaves. For the leaves, I first drew my skeleton, not my skeleton, the leaves skeleton. I first drew the leaves skeleton with pencil and then drew some leaves using wavy lines. Now let's draw some birds. For the side view, the bird almost looks like an onion. Just draw a circle, make it pointy from one side and then draw concentric lines inside it. For the bird that is facing away from you, you have to draw the stem first and then draw a circle around it and then again fill it with some curvy lines like I have done. I don't know how to explain it, but you get me, right? For the third view of the bird, I first drew a circle with a pencil and then split it into three almost equal parts, and I slightly enlarged the outermost area of the petals and then connected these with a smaller circle. Okay, let's apply what we have learned today into an illustration. I have already drawn a very simple version of a flower pot using a pencil. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my structure using a pencil. It will help me plan the position of my flowers, and it is a very important step. I mean, imagine you have drawn three flowers, and by the time you are drawing your fourth flower, you realize that the position of your second flower is not where you wish it to be. So it is a nice practice to first plan the location of your flowers and then draw the detailed flowers later. I'm going to draw three flowers on the front and one slightly sideways. In the end, I'm going to draw some leaves here and there, a few birds. And my illustration is done. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try it. Draw some anemone flowers and post it on Instagram and tag me. I would love to see them. I can also give you some advice if you want me to. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. I will post many more tutorial videos in the future. And thank you. I'll see you later. Bye bye.